This quick start guide will help you get your Rovi camera installed, powered up, and ready to use. Insert a Class 10 microSD card with up to 64 gigabytes of storage. MicroSD card sold separately. Slide the camera into the magnetic mount. Before removing the red backing tape, determine optimal camera placement. Clean your window and remove backing tape to install the mount. Press firmly for several seconds to assure a solid bond. To adjust camera angle, press the button and move the camera either up or down. The mount also rotates 360 degrees, allowing you to select any view you want, interior, exterior, or off to the side. Attach the magnetic GPS antenna to the side of the mount. Plug the power cord into the camera and feed the cord into the headliner, across the top of the windshield, and out of the field of vision. Plug in the 12-volt power adapter. You're now ready to power up and start using your Rovi dash camera. For more detailed instructions, refer to your owner's manual.
Alpine introduces the all-new Halo 9 media station, designed to bring a 9-inch touchscreen to vehicles with a 1-DIN installation dock. The display can be fully adjusted in elevation and angle at the time of installation to match a wide variety of vehicle dashboards. The Alpine Halo 9 features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility.
Hi, what can I do for you?
If you are a Spotify user, you can simply browse among millions of songs, create your own playlists, and enjoy everything in your car. WhatsApp reads new messages for you and lets you dictate and send your own messages.
Would you like me to read your messages or compose a new one?
Use the latest smartphone apps, such as WhatsApp, Amazon Music, Spotify, and Google Play Music in a convenient and safe way while you drive. Google and Apple Maps help you navigate and include many convenient features such as POIs and traffic information. There are also database interfaces available for many vehicles that allow you to display parking sensors, air conditioner settings, and more. The Alpine Halo 9 also features DAB+ digital radio, Bluetooth hands-free and audio streaming, as well as USB video playback. Bring the future of car media to any vehicle with a 1-DIN radio dock. The all-new Alpine Halo 9.
Alpine, driving mobile media innovation.
Hey Josh, it's Liz from college.
Hey,
What are you doing here?
trying to get a taxi, but my phone's dead.
Well, hop in.
Oh, thanks. Thanks. Do you know the way to South Bay?
Alexa, get directions to South Bay.
Okay, getting directions to South Bay.
What is that? I thought it was just a charger.
It is a car charger that can do a ton of other things. Alexa, play some music.
Here is the station you might like, Rockstar, from Amazon Music.
That's awesome. What else can it do?
Alexa, what else can you do?
You can tell me to turn up the volume, play music, create a to-do list, or look up a topic on Wikipedia.
Alexa, where's the nearest gas station?
The fastest route to gas right service at 980 Main Street takes about 5 minutes via Central Parkway and Garden Drive.
I don't think I have your phone number anymore.
Alexa, call Josh.
Calling Josh Mobile.
Thanks for the ride. Maybe I can repay you with a cup of coffee sometime.
Sure.
Alexa, set a reminder for coffee with Josh at 10 a.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 10 a.m.